Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. So today I'm going to make a riff on a Negroni, the Toffee Negroni. Haven't made this before, so the ingredients are quite interesting. We've got a rum, a sherry, an Amontillado Sherry, so it's going to add a lot of nuttiness to the drink, and Aperol. So the ingredients sound kind of strange putting them all together, but the idea of a Toffee Negroni sounds delicious. Another very simple cocktail to remember. And thank you to the guys from Untold Rum for sending me this bottle. If anyone wants to send me free alcohol, I'd be more than happy to drink it and use it in the videos. I'll put my address in the details below. So Untold Rum, it's a spiced rum, 1 ounce, 30 mils. Add that straight into a mixing glass, and of course, if you don't have a mixing glass and you just want to save time, then you can just throw it straight into your old-fashioned glass over ice and stir it down. So an Amontillado Sherry, 1 ounce, 30 mils. And last of all, Aperol. Same again, 1 ounce, 30 mils. Add some subtle bitter notes, grapefruit. Then fill your mixing glass with ice and stir it down. Fill the old-fashioned glass with ice and strain straight over the top. I can smell this already. It smells like very toffee-like, nutty, quite sweet. And then to finish it off, just a swath of grapefruit. What's a swath, you ask? I'll link to my other video about garnishing right here. Convenient, Steve. So there you have a Toffee Negroni. Cheers. It smells really good. It smells very toffee-like. And tastes delicious. It's not as bitter as I was hoping, considering it's called a Toffee Negroni. I'd like to actually try that with a little bit of Campari and then drop down the Aperol. But still, nonetheless, really tasty. For Negroni lovers, this is a little bit sweeter, less bitter. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Smash that like button.
Cheers. Big cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I didn't press record.